The aviation industry has always been at the cutting edge of technological innovation, with engineers and scientists constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible. But in recent years, advancements have reached new heights, leading us to the cusp of a revolution in air travel. Hypersonic flight, supersonic aircraft, and advanced propulsion systems are no longer the stuff of science fiction. They are becoming increasingly plausible, with real-world developments already underway. Sweden, known for its innovation and technology, is playing an integral role in this new frontier. However, the concept of reaching the speed of light remains far beyond current capabilities. In this video, we'll explore the real breakthroughs in aviation technology, focusing on Sweden's contributions and the future of hypersonic flight. The rise of hypersonic flight. Hypersonic flight refers to speeds greater than Mach 5, around 6,174 km per hour or 3,836 miles per hour, which would drastically reduce flight times and revolutionize both military and commercial aviation. For example, a flight from New York to London, which typically takes around 7 hours, could be completed in just over an hour at hypersonic speeds. Achieving such speeds requires advanced propulsion systems, including scramjets and ramjets, which are capable of compressing incoming air to reach the necessary velocity. Scramjets, which operate by using shockwaves created by the aircraft's speed to compressed air, are particularly suited for hypersonic flight. However, the development of hypersonic aircraft is still in its early stages, with major challenges including extreme heat and pressure. At these speeds, temperatures can exceed 2,000 degrees Celsius, 3,632 degrees Fahrenheit, requiring new materials and cooling systems capable of withstanding such intense conditions. Reusable hypersonic aircraft, currently being tested by NASA and private companies like Boeing and Lockheed Martin, hold the potential to transform the aviation industry by drastically reducing travel times, enabling faster global connections, and advancing defense capabilities. Sweden's aerospace contributions, innovation at the forefront. Sweden, known for its technological achievements in various industries from Volvo to Spotify, is also a key player in the aerospace sector. Saab, a leading Swedish aerospace company, is particularly renowned for developing the versatile Gripen fighter jet, which is used by several countries due to its advanced capabilities and adaptability. Saab's contributions to hypersonic technology are also noteworthy. The company is focusing on developing advanced propulsion systems and next-generation technologies for both military and civilian use. In addition to its work with fighter jets, Saab collaborates with the European Space Agency on satellite technology and aerospace research. Sweden's investment in high-performance materials, such as lightweight composites and advanced metals, further strengthens its role as an innovator in aerospace. Sweden's continued partnerships with international space and defense organizations place it at the forefront of research and development in aerospace technology, with a particular emphasis on pushing the boundaries of hypersonic flight, which could ultimately lead to breakthrough advancements in both defense and commercial aviation. Advanced propulsion systems, the key to hypersonic flight. The propulsion system is the critical component for achieving hypersonic flight, as traditional jet engines are not designed to operate at these extreme speeds. Scramjets and ramjets are the two main types of engines being developed for hypersonic aircraft. Supersonic combustion ramjets rely on the shock waves produced by the aircraft's speed to compress incoming air, which is then mixed with fuel and ignited to produce thrust. However, maintaining stable combustion at hypersonic speeds remains a major technical challenge, as the airflow must remain smooth and stable for the engine to function effectively. Ramjets, on the other hand, operate well at speeds up to Mach 3 but struggle to achieve the higher speeds necessary for hypersonic flight. Both propulsion systems are still in experimental stages, with NASA, Lockheed Martin, and other private aerospace companies conducting tests to refine them. The development of reliable hypersonic engines will not only be key to advancing air travel, but will also play a crucial role in military applications, particularly in the development of hypersonic weapons that can reach their targets in a fraction of the time compared to traditional missile systems. As these propulsion systems mature, they represent the future of high-speed, long-range air travel and the next frontier in aerospace technology. The challenges of achieving hypersonic flight. Hypersonic flight presents challenges, primarily extreme heat and pressure. At Mach 5, surface temperatures can exceed 2,000 degrees Celsius, 3,632 degrees Fahrenheit, which can damage aircraft materials. Researchers are developing heat-resistant materials like carbon-carbon composites to withstand these temperatures. Additionally, the intense pressure at hypersonic speeds requires aircraft designs that can endure extreme forces. Advanced cooling systems are also being developed to prevent overheating and maintain structural integrity during high-speed flight. Military and defense implications: the strategic advantage of hypersonic technology. While the commercial potential of hypersonic flight is exciting, it's important to recognize that the military is one of the primary drivers of this technology. Hypersonic weapons, which can travel at speeds in excess of Mach 5, are being developed by several countries, including the United States, China, and Russia. These weapons are designed to penetrate defense systems and strike targets with incredible speed and precision. Sweden, being a leader in aerospace technology, is closely monitoring the development of hypersonic weapons and is actively involved in research related to their potential applications. The ability to deploy hypersonic missiles could give Sweden and other nations a significant strategic advantage in defense, particularly in the context of modern warfare, where speed and accuracy are critical. While Sweden has historically maintained a policy of neutrality, the development of hypersonic technology could have far-reaching implications for its defense capabilities. Sweden's involvement in international aerospace collaborations means that it is well-positioned to contribute to the development of these cutting-edge technologies. Commercial implications: the future of air travel. Beyond military applications, hypersonic flight holds enormous potential for revolutionizing commercial air travel. Imagine flying from New York to Tokyo in less than 2 hours, or traveling from London to Sydney in under 4 hours. With hypersonic aircraft, these possibilities could become a reality. In addition to dramatically reducing travel times, hypersonic flight could also make long-distance travel more accessible by lowering the cost of fuel and increasing the efficiency of air travel. Researchers are currently exploring ways to make hypersonic aircraft more fuel efficient by using alternative fuels or more advanced combustion technologies. For now, commercial hypersonic flights remain a distant dream, with most aircraft still relying on conventional jet engines. However, with continued advancements in propulsion technology, it's not hard to imagine a future where hypersonic planes are as common as today's jetliners. Sweden's role in global aerospace collaboration. As a member of the European Space Agency and a partner in various aerospace collaborations, Sweden is playing an integral role in the future of aviation technology. Swedish companies such as Saab have formed partnerships with global leaders in aerospace technology, including Boeing and Lockheed Martin, to develop the next generation of advanced aircraft and propulsion systems. In addition to private sector collaboration, Sweden is also heavily involved in research and development efforts focused on hypersonic flight. With a strong emphasis on innovation and sustainability, Sweden is looking to lead the way in developing environmentally friendly technologies that can help power the aircraft of the future. The role of private companies in the race for hypersonic flight. While government-funded agencies like NASA and the European Space Agency are spearheading much of the research into hypersonic flight, private companies are playing an increasingly important role. Companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are leading the charge in commercial spaceflight and have expressed interest in developing hypersonic technologies for faster, more efficient air travel. Sweden Saab, along with other European aerospace companies, is also exploring private sector partnerships to develop hypersonic technologies. These collaborations could speed up the timeline for hypersonic commercial travel, making it more accessible in the coming decades. A new era for aviation: what the future holds. The future of aviation is undeniably exciting, with the potential for hypersonic flight to radically transform the way we travel. Sweden, along with other leading nations, is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, and the innovations coming out of the aerospace sector today will lay the groundwork for the technologies of tomorrow. While we may not be flying at the speed of light anytime soon, the era of hypersonic flight is rapidly approaching, and the skies will never be the same. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of hypersonic flight, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting tech insights and updates. Share this video with your friends, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching.